Before you drop that quarter, keep one thing in mind. You got a heartbroke hillbilly standing here in line. Tell you who's not heartbroken. It's me. If you know that song, then go ahead and drop the name and artist into the comments. First one to do so, I'll send you a $2 bill. It's better than nothing. I love $2 bills, by the way. I have literally stacks of them. Sticks. And I like to take them to Mexico. The $2 bill is good luck in Mexico. So the Mexicans love it. So I always take a big stack of those with me to Mexico for the tipping. Speaking of tipping, 2.853 all-time high right there. Thanks for joining me on this Tuesday, up 57,953 today. It's probably all luck. Probably that magic 8 ball. Just shake it up, ask it a question. Blind squirrel trades, all the good stuff. Welcome to Amateur Hour here in the trading game. It is your best friend in swing trading and options premium, coming to you live from the frozen tundra farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. It was cold today. It felt like 16 below at one point. So I'm happy to be in my home, my Fortress of Solitude Studios. I do have a financial moat that I have built and dug and watered around my castle of love over time. I've been building my castle of love just for two. Leave the name of that song and artist in the comments below, and I'll give you $2. If you are the, why is that making me laugh? If you are the first one to get it correct. So that is that. That was a long intro of saying nothing but just having fun with yourself. Where are we? Oh yeah, we're at all-time high. Let's see what's going on here. Our AGQ calls are downtown to Chinatown, which is just fine because that means they're up, and away. It's our only position. Wait a minute. What happened to those things you took on Friday? You shorted the Bitcoin and we're long oil. We'll get to those. But look at that. AGQ, this position's up $101,641. And I've collected $15,151 in options premium. So we got that going for us. We'll look at silver charts in just a moment. This could be it. This could be it as far as the beginning of the end for those fraudster, greedy, gobstopping banksters that love to short and manipulate the silver. This could be it. Friday will be a big test. It'll be a battle. Would I be surprised if they didn't beat silver down so much that my calls weren't underwater and AGQ closes under 43 for the week? Would not be surprised at all. They have been manipulating silver for decades, but every once in a while, every now and again, you catch them short and they have to cover, and that causes a squeeze. Happened on, I think it was October 22nd. I know it was October 17th was one of the squeeze, and then I think we got another one on the 22nd. So they should come in batches, and I'm going to be ready for it. I got my long leaps here on the SLV, the silver ETF, and then we have our short-term trade vehicle AGQ, which is 2 times silver. So I am loaded for bear, ready for the party. Here's what went on. I did get stopped out of both of those positions that I took on Friday. Here was Friday, Valentine's Day. Bought UCO downtown to Chinatown, bought Biddy, which is a short against Bitcoin. Took a little bit of grief in the comment section. That's okay. Everybody's entitled to their opinions, and I respect them all. But this time you were wrong and I was right. Not you, those people that left the weird comments. So I did get stopped out, 2,000 shares there, made $2,038 net realized profit, and then got stopped out of the UCO for a profit of $20.40. So a pretty good day, and good thing because I got some exciting stuff going on after this video. But I did spend $1,100 on this. Hold on. What is it? Just a big heavy box? It is. It's a big heavy box of Topps 2025 Series 1 baseball card release that just came out. I bought an entire case of jumbo hobby boxes. It was about $1,110 bills, so I've got a lot of fun ahead of me there. My recent PSA order for my graded cards arrived today as well. Got another Ricky rookie in the mail from eBay. Got to open that up. So I'm just busy. I barely have time for this video because I've got so much going on today. So that was the only things that went on today. I was stalking TLT again. Did I miss it? TMF closed at 40.59, but post is at 40.74. There's always another pitch. We'll see. Let's go to the charts just to catch the vibe that these are putting down. I haven't moved this in, I don't know, a good month, but I wanted to show, and you've been around, if you've watched the videos, you saw it did exactly what we were looking for it to do, ABC. Next, though, is it hasn't shown its hand yet. So this could be a squeeze, and if the squeeze is going to happen, we'll know Friday. I would imagine by noon we'll have a pretty good idea if we're going to squeeze in place or not. But I would imagine that they're going to be looking to short silver all week to try to tamp it down. So we'll keep our eyes on that. I believe we're working on this 3. The squeeze would obviously blow it right through the 5 if we got a squeeze on Friday. Now, obviously, time frame. This is never about time frame. It's always about probability of movement and direction. So, we would just move that thing over there, move this over here. This would probably go, where's that 5 at? And again, we'll adjust this because it's only a 5-minute chart. So, and I'll measure all that out. Gold, it's just resilient. Gold is just resilient right now, which is good and bad. Good for my GLD. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So where's that big B you said it's coming? I don't know, but it hasn't arrived yet, has it? In fact, we'll call this the A. I still don't think we are out of the woods. Call that the A and then look to see what happens next. If it keeps going up, fine with me. Fine with me. I'll be exiting the GLD leaps if we keep blowing through what should be let a little steam out on the retracements, but that's okay if it keeps rolling. All right, so on the GDX, I'm still looking for this. To get there, we need 3 waves. We got 1. Looks like 1 is in. So how high will the 2 be? Is that in? I don't know. Could be in, and then down there. 1, 2, 3 moves down to the 2, which on this way down is when I would be exiting my short on GDX. Hopefully a couple dollar bills. USO, I think that was our 3. Does it have to go? That doesn't have to get all the way up there to qualify, but this is the golden zone, right? That's why we changed the color to gold. So this could be the 3. The 3 could be in, and we might be working on that 4 now. If it looks clearly corrective, we'll have to measure the waves out. So if it's corrective, it'd be 3 moves, 3 waves down to 4, and then 5 waves up to 5. But, oil has been acting funny lately, just like Bitcoin has. So am I excited to have a couple grand profit today in oil? Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, never got oversold and certainly isn't even close to mid-range for overbought. TLT, though, just another day in head scratching paradise. Are we going to take out 90? 100% absolutely for sure. When? Zero idea. Where's that magic 8 ball? Zero idea. Just wacky. But we would want to see 5 up to this 3. So depending on what goes on tomorrow, and likely the rest of the week will tell us where we're at. I don't know I don't think we're getting a lower low this week, but it's been wacky. It's been wacky going on. There's the 20-year bond yields, which is the inverse of what we're tracking in TLT and TMF. You know what they like to do? Fill those gaps. Filled this one, didn't we? Plummet. But that then shows me we're going to fill it back up. Fill it right there. Bitcoin. Yep. Glad I got stopped out because Bitcoin has made a real nice move up since the close. Did I get out a little early? Don't I always? But that might be it because Bitcoin has been doing a lot of nothing over the last couple of weeks. Yeah, you see that? We rolled right through the Bollinger Band, and now we're heading right back up to the middle of it as far as the moving average. Just a lot of meandering going on, which is okay. It's going to make up its mind soon. Overall, I think we got 125 plus in the cards. I just don't know when. But I have been on a bit of a heater. It's like a miniature heater in Bitcoin. I think we're 4 for 3 or 3 for 3 or 4 for 4 on the Bitcoin trades, whether it's up or down so far this year. I'll have to look that up. We talked about it before it happened. We thought for sure we're going to be breaking out of that upper trend line. We did exactly that. 6,200 plus in the cards soon. And then I got the gold and silver ratio up here. I'm just trying to get an idea. I got 80 in there, but that would for sure require a silver squeeze to go on anytime. If this is going to hit 80 anytime soon, we'll need a silver squeeze, silver just riding up like a vicious wedgie right in those bankers' faces. That would be so sweet. It's going to happen. It's just a matter of when, not if. So that's what's going on there. Hope you are doing well. Hope you had an amazing long weekend. Hope you're staying warm if you're in a cold environment like me. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video and this channel with a lovable friend. Just real quick, we're done with the trading part. Got my eye on this. These are in great condition. These are 86 Barry bonds. It's tops traded, so it didn't come out during the regular season at the end of the year, which now they basically use Tops Update as the third flagship release of Tops per year. They used to use the Tops traded just as a minor update to show who's been traded or who's been called up that didn't make the regular cut. So if I got both of those for $1.99, hello, that would be awesome because they sell when they're in good condition. They're $5 to $10 a piece, and then if they're in really good condition, I would get them graded because Bonds is going to get his due. He is for sure going to get his due. I don't care how many roids he took because he was Hall of Famer with and without. Oh, here we go. This will show. So this is ComC. It's called Check Out My Cards, comc.com. Here is to give you an idea. These are the base 540. There's a bunch for sale at 542. Then you'd have to click through each one to see the condition. Here's some better condition ones at $7.70. And you're going to laugh at me, but I do a goofy thing here as well. If you go to my dashboard, you see I've got $873 in inventory just because I bought a couple of big things recently, one of which is a Ricky Henderson signed rookie. But I've got $5,261 worth of cards in inventory, total sales since I've been doing this, which has been about probably 4 or 5 months now, with like the cards, just the little nickel dime cards. You see, like I got $4.27 for that, $1.61 for that. And this is this is the crazy fun I'm having lately that my wife rolls her eyes at. I bought this card on ComC for 75 cents and then I sold it for 95 and collected 90 cents net. So I netted 15 cents. Why is that funny? Because all I had to do is click a couple buttons, and then it protects. I buy the cards so if I deliver cards to ComC, like for instance, I've got a package waiting here that they haven't sorted through yet of 662 cards. They charge me 50 cents per card in processing. Okay. So obviously I need to send cards that have a value greater than 50 cents, and then I don't have to worry about anything. They take care of everything. Shipping, handling, marketing, etc. But what I'll do is, so if I've got like this 2024 top series 2 Shohei Ohtani significant statistics, and somebody has it priced what I feel is too low, because they'll do that. Oh, wait, that's me right there at the top. It's a perfect example there. So I've got the top 3 cards and I just sold one, but I'll buy them. Like, some guy will put one on fire sale because he needs the money to buy a pack of smokes, and maybe it'll be 80 cents. So I'll make him an offer and I'll buy that card, and then I'll reprice it immediately and put it back on the market. And then I get little sales like this. So like, look at this one. I bought it for 90 and sold it for 92. Not because I wanted 2 cents, but because I wanted to protect my other Dale Murphy silver pack chrome mojos. It's like talking to a card guy about trading. I'm talking to a trader about cards. So there's that. What is this? Oh, I don't even look at this stuff. I've just been look at these. I just got these last night. Look at the value I got. This is a Green Bay Packers and Hall of Fame football legend Boyd Dollar autograph to 99. Bought it for $7. These types of things do not do well in auctions, so you got to be watching them. You can buy them up. I'll keep these because they're Packers. Mark Chmura, if you're a Packers fan, he's a legend. This one's an autograph number to 99. Here's a Michael Jordan 1990, probably one of my favorite Michael Jordan cards, aside from the rookie. This has an error, no print lines on the back. And it looked pretty good. It's off center, left to the right, but as far as condition, otherwise look great. Here's one that's interesting, and I basically stole these cards. I got 2 1990-91 hoops Mark Jackson. Now, Mark Jackson was a really good player. The interesting part of this card is who's in the background of the card. And that would be the Menendez brothers. And if you know, yes, the Menendez brothers that there's been a lot of recent documentaries on. And hopefully they're still in prison for murdering their parents. But these cards look like in excellent condition, and you grade those and get a decent grade, and they're very collectible. So again, these raw do not do well in bids. They only got 3 bids, one of which was mine. So I got both for $1.25. Hello. Is that exciting to me? Way exciting. Local auction going on. I got my eye on this. Is my watch list. Look at these cards. Oh my gosh. Moses Malone, Bill Walton, Terry Bradshaw, LeBron James rookie, graded. The human highlight film, Dominique Wilkins, Magic Johnson, Dr. J, Alex English, Adrian Dantley, Pete Rose, 1968, Isaiah Thomas, Larry Bird, Larry Legend, all this stuff. Look at this. Now, these expire, or the auctions end tomorrow on these, so I'll be watching them carefully. Hopefully I'll pick up a couple and be on my way. So that is now the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the card section here in the back part of the trading video. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video and this channel with a lovable friend, and I'll probably catch you again tomorrow.